Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and today I will share with you again a new project where we are going to use Raspberry Pi camera module and we will detect faces. We will create a face recognition. So this is basically a simple code. With the help of this code you can create your own Flask application, or you can create your own Tkinter application for attendance system on Raspberry Pi. So I have here Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB RAM. So you can simply go with the Raspberry Pi 4 with 8 GB RAM. Then we have now Raspberry Pi 5 with 8 GB, 4 GB, then 16 GB. Simple. Also friends, we are not going to use here a face recognition package. As I already uploaded last time for Windows, we use their inside face. So same package we will use on Raspberry Pi 4, and it's work really fast. So I will mention the buy me coffee link inside description box. You can simply buy the code from there. Also, if you are from India, I will mention GPay link. You can simply pay the amount and you have to mention your Gmail address basically, and then I will send the code on your Gmail. Simple. So Raspberry Pi face recognition with Raspberry Pi camera module, 4 GB RAM. So first I'm accessing now Raspberry Pi latest operating system with the help of real VNC on Windows machine. So this is basically my real VNC, and as you can see this is the window machine and real VNC. I'm accessing Raspberry Pi 4 with the help of real VNC. That's it. And the operating system, because you know the latest version is now available, this is basically Raspberry Pi Imager software. You can simply visit their website, Raspberry Pi official website, and you can download the Imager software. So operating system right now which I am using, which is this one, the first one, which is the Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit. This is the latest desktop version for Raspberry Pi 4 64-bit. So this is the version which I am using. That's it. Now uh, as I mentioned, you will get the project from the buy me coffee link, or let's just say from the GPay. So I have already downloaded the project folder. If I open the file manager and I need to go in downloads, this is the zip format project folder. Right click and click on extract here. It will extract our folder like this way. So when you install first time the latest operating system on Raspberry Pi, which is basically the fresh version, so you have to open first imp.txt with the help of text editor and copy this command. Just copy and open terminal. First time means complete fresh installation. When you install completely fresh installation, fresh operating system on the Raspberry Pi, you have to run this command. Inside imp.txt I have mentioned this command. You have to paste inside the terminal and hit enter. I have already run this command. So then you have to mention your Pi password. Okay, so as you can see, it said cannot remove because I have already run the command and I have deleted this particular directory or file, let's just say. Simple. So this is only for fresh installation. Once you run the command, then there is no need to again run the command. That's it. Now we will install the packages. So for packages, simply we will open our code. So this is the code, as you can see. Right click and open with the Sony Python IDE, and we will install all the packages. So go to the tools, manage packages. First package we will install, which is basically OpenCV Python. OpenCV Python, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV Python on our latest Raspberry Pi operating system. And then we need here inside face. So inside face, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install inside face package. So this is all the packages which we need. Other packages is basically already installed, the by default install. That's it, done. Now friends, what we want to do here, known folder, just remove /home/pi. Okay, because this is which I have already tested. Just remove the /home/pi and only mention the known. Just mention the known and save it. No need to go with the /home/pi full path. Just mention the known folder, so it will automatically create the known folder inside particular directory where you save the project folder, and then it will automatically detect all the images, the face images from the known folder. That's it. So we have done with the package installation. Simple. Now I have already connected the camera module with the Raspberry Pi 4. Now simply run the code and it will start the camera. It will create the known folder automatically. As you can see, this is what our live camera. Okay. So this is completely live. Now we want to register. So if we want to register first face, so we have to click on the camera and press the R button from keyboard. As I mentioned, this is basically a raw code. So when you get the code, you can simply change using any AI module like Claude or ChatGPT. You can create your own application. That's it, simple. So this is the raw code. So just press R button and then you have to mention the username. So mine is basically Sanket Prabhu, and now we need to capture the face. So it's basically capture 10 images. So we have to move in front of the Raspberry Pi camera module in different angle. So once you mention the username and then you have to just hit enter, it will start a timer. Okay, so I will hit enter and it will start timer. So friends, as you can see, we detected the face. We captured the live face using Raspberry Pi camera module and we registered the face, and then if I move in front of the camera, it will detect the face. Simple. So as I mentioned friends, this is basically the raw code. You can simply mention this code inside the Claude and you can mention the prompt for creating the Flask application and it will create the Flask application using this basic code. Okay, so as I mentioned, I will mention the buy me coffee link, also the GPay link. You can simply pay it from there and then you will get the project folder. That's it for today. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.